The wind's just battered us all night. The rain stopped, but it's that wind. And now it's all the water coming down into the river from higher ground, so it's just made that river a bit too unsafe now. But isn't it lovely? Just walking through all this. I'm on the patter now. I think it's about 5 o'clock, so we'll be finding somewhere new to set up for the night. Good thing about when it's windy, you feel more refreshed. I wonder what people think of me, you know, when they see me, when I've got my coat on and my hat. If it's raining, I've got my big rucksack on. You know, I don't know. I think I've said it before in one of my videos. It does make me wonder to see the look on the faces. I see the look on the faces, and I do wonder what they think when they see that big rucksack on my back. Just sat on my coat. Love that coat. I've had it a long time. But I don't care. I don't really care what people think of me. They think whatever they want. Crack on. Live and let live. And I'm living free.